So we can use. Oh, here we can see that we return two words, that is Mohana and another one is Ratnasai. The concat function means concatenation is used for adding two sentences or two numbers or two variables, two functions. So here we can see that there is no gap between the letters. We can use space here to represent the gap. Here we can see the gap. Not only this, we can give any name, anything. So this is the use of concatenation function. And next one is substring. Here we can see that substring is mainly used to return the letters which we have given in range. We have given in 1 to 5 range. Here starting one is M is 1 and the fifth one is N. So the output has come from M to N. So this is the use of substring. If we given 3, It will represent from 3 onwards, but we didn't given the ending range, so it will give output till the end, up to the end. This is the use of substring. And next we have got length. Length is also a function. This is mainly used to count the letters, means used to check the length of the letter or a word. Here we have got result 6 because the given string has 6 letters. If we given space, oh, if we given space here, it will even count the space also. So length function is mainly used to check the length of a word, how many letters we have given, along with space. It counts space even. And the next one is trim. Mm, okay. We have given here star and from. Here we can see we given so many spaces between a name. We can see the output as Mohna because the star which we have given is trim, means it will trim the word which we have given in the condition. Here we have given in the condition is star, so in this whole sentence the star has been removed from front and back. It is mainly used for spaces even. Here we oh, here we given only star. If we given spaces, here we can see that the empty spaces are removed because it will remove the spaces because we have given in the condition to remove it. If we given here star and their spaces, even though it removed. Okay. Trim is mainly used to remove the spaces. And the next one is in. Oh, it's not working. Hmm. Here we can see the output too in str means the substring is starting from which letter, the position of the letter, starting letter of the substring. Here is 2. Here we can see P R is in the second position. So we got result 2. We can use for any type of letters or words. And next, with this only we'll do the left padding. For left padding, lpad is the function name. we can see here in left padding we given the length means the range 10 for letters. We have only 8 letters. So from the remaining spaces are filled with the symbol. We have given the symbol as a condition. So from starting, the two spaces are filled with this symbol. And one more example is, and another one is right padding. The function is rpad we'll use. Here also we can give the example, the range. Now we'll give zeros. We can give anything as condition. So we can see that zeros are added. Here we given the word contains only 7 letters. So the remaining 7 are zeros. Left padding means the spaces will add at the left side, and right padding means the remaining spaces will add at right side of the word. And the last one is replace. Here we given hello world as a string and world is the substring. The condition is to replace the word as SQL. Here we can see that here I have given the small letter in the string. I have given the word, the starting W is a capital letter, and here I given the small letter. So the query is not worked correctly. Here we can see that I have given the string hello world. So I want to change the world into SQL. So I replace the string. So here I got the output hello SQL. So now we have discussed about the character function. The first function in this is case manipulation function, and the second type is character manipulation function. In this, I have explained about case manipulation functions, which we have lowercase, uppercase, and init cap. I'm briefly telling about it. Here, lowercase means when we have taken capital letters, it will convert capital letters into small letters and gives the output. Uppercase means when we taken the string as lower letters, it will give the capital letters or uppercase letters as output. Here, init cap means the starting letter, the name of the starting letter will be capital and remaining letters will be small letters, means lowercase letters. So there is a slight difference between the lowercase, uppercase, and init cap. So, and the second one is character manipulation function. In this, we have 7 to 8 types. Concatenation. Here, concatenation means adding the two strings to make it a one string. And substring means we have taken one string and we have taken it. It will show the position. Length means if we have given one letter, it will count the length of the word, how many letters are present in that word. And left padding and right padding. Left padding will add the left side spaces with the given condition, and right padding means it will add the right side remaining spaces with the given condition. And trim means it will remove the spaces or it will remove the extras which we have given in the condition, like star. And replace means here we can see the replace function. Here we have given the hello world as a string, and we want to change the world and replace it as SQL. So here we have got the output as hello SQL. So these are the two types in character manipulation function. And we we have another one is number function. So okay, nothing problem. In this we have three types, that is round function, and second one is trunk function, and the third one is mode function. Here round means it rounds value to the specified decimal, means it will round off the value, uh, round off the nearest value. In the truncate means it cuts the value to the specified condition, means if we given one value in decimal points, it will not like to do rounding off, so it will, according to the condition, it will cut the value, means it will end the value to get the output. But in round function, it will make the decimal to round off according to the condition. Here m mode means returns remainder of division. Suppose we have taken the 10 and in 3 table, so in division we have got 3 threes are 9, the remainder will be 1. Here m word means mod means 1, the which we, the remainder which we have gotten, which we have got with that value. So we'll see the examples with this number function. These are the three types of number functions. Oh, mm, wait a minute. Oh, so starting we use the round function. Here, okay, wait a minute. Here we got the output 123.46. We have given the input 123.457. The condition is 2. Means here we can understand that after the decimal we can take two values, but we have given the round function. The round function round of the value, here we got 57. Uh, uh, what we'll say, 1 to 50, the numbers which have been 1 to 50 means it will take the 45. After, means after the 50th number, the high, more than 50 numbers means it will take the 46 as round off, we can know. Okay, we can see another one like that. So this is one more example. And the next one is oh, with this round function. Here we got 123 because we didn't given any conditions. So after the decimals, it will not represent the output because here we can keep 0. Okay, wait. 4, 5, 7. 0 also it will given like that only because after the decimals the condition is 0 means after the decimals no value will be considered as in output. We have given -2. -2 means before the decimals there is 123 point, before the decimals the 123 is there, so the last two digits become 0. If we given -1, one digit will become 0. And we can apply this same example for the remaining functions. Here we can see the trunk example. We got 123.45 because the truncate will not uh, what we'll say, it will not to make the number round off to the nearest value. It will take the same number without changing, and according to the condition it will represent output. Here if we have given same output, it will represent 123 because after the decimals it will not take any value. The given condition is 0, that's why. And if we given -3, here we'll get the 0 as output because before the decimals the remaining 123 number will get 0. Here we can see that we have given the 300 table for the value 1700, means 1700 divisible by 300. So the remainder will be 200 because 300 will cancel 5 times for 1500. The remaining amount is 200. 1700 minus 1500. So mode will be used like this. It will give the output 0 because 7 threes are 21. Whole will be cancelled, the remainder will be 0. So we can understand here is the division will work here. We will get the remainder as a output even though it is 0 or anything, the number. So in the number function, the three types are completed, that is round, trunc and mode function. And the next topic is working with date functions. So here we'll use sys date because sys date means it will show the system's date. We can see the current date. I'll show it. Here we can see today date, month. This is the month and this is the date. This is the year. Here we can see with this date along with time. Here, wait a minute. Is it visible? Here we can see today date which is round off. And the next topic is arithmetic with dates, means doing arithmetic operations with dates. Here we can see the query. State 20, 24, 6, 8 means 08, 06. Mm, as y by mm dd means month and date. Oh, as date difference. Oh, so this is the difference. I'm unable to show it. So we can do the query in many ways with the dates. So we have date functions between months and add months means number of months between two dates. The function add months is used to add calendar months to the date. The function next day is used to show the next day of the date specified. I'll show the next day function. Oh, today is Saturday. Next Saturday. Here we can see next Saturday is 28th. And we can use month between. To show the difference between the two dates, month difference between the two dates mainly. So we'll take 2026 01 01 mm, and brackets comma year month day to date. We will take in today 2026 mm, month 02 21. Mm, mm, okay. Months. Mm, I'll take the example from this. Here we can see that. Here we can see 12 months because 2026 to 2025, and the second month to second month the same date, so here 12 months is the result. And here next one, to add months. Here we can see that add months is the function we used in this, and this is a function name. We can write anything. We can write as result even. Here we can see the date after adding the months. This is today's date, and after adding the 3 months, the condition is to add the 3 months. After that, the date is May 21st. So add months function is used like this. And we can use last day in this only. Okay, okay. The system is not working properly. Here we have in February 28 days in this year. So the last day is 28th. Here we can see the date. And the next topic is conversion functions. In these conversion functions, we have two types, that is implicit data type conversion, and the second one is explicit data type conversion. In this implicit type conversion, we can convert the data type into another data type, like as variable character. Variable character or character is converted into the numbers, And to dates, number is converted into variable length character, and the date is converted into variable length character. We'll see some of the examples. Mm, mm. Here we have given the string, even though it is a number, we have given single quote, so it becomes the string. The string is converted into number. So I have taken from the dummy table, so we can represent only this type of values. In explicit conversions, we can convert the number into, we can convert the number into character. Mm, Here we can use, so it converts the number 15689 into the string. And we have some other functions like general functions, null to value function, null to an actual value function, and nullif function we have. Oh, we'll use a null function. Here we can see we have given no data as the condition, so we can see that no data is available in it. Mainly means here we have given null. If we given 0 here, so it will represent 0 in the null value in the place of null. If we given one table like as department table, and in the department table we have given the salary as null or manager number as null, so in the null values it will replace 0, means if we have given any condition it will replace with that condition. Here we have given the condition 0, so it replaces the null value with the 0 condition. So that null value function will be used like this, means it replaces the null with the actual value, means the given condition value. We have the last one, coalesce function. This function is used to return the first non-null value, means the value which is not null value. So we'll see some example. Oh, here we have given two nulls. The first value is first non-null value. Oh, and the second one is null. Here we can see the first one. It returns the first value. The Collins function. The advantage of Collins function is takes multiple alternative value. If the first condition is not null, it returns the first expression. Otherwise, it will return the remaining. It will give the output of remaining expressions. So here in this single row functions, we have discussed about the characters, and next one numbers. Oh, numbers, and third one dates, and the fourth one is conversions, and the fifth one is general functions, which we have nullif and nvl functions and collins functions.